Hi class, I'm going to show you or walk you through the installation process of both Python and Wing101. So first you need to navigate to the folder that you downloaded the two files to. So often it's going to be inside your downloads folder. Once you're in that area, so let's assume the downloads folder, the first program that we must install is Python. So we want to do, this is very specific, Python should be installed first. So we can double click on Python, and I'm going to walk you through the initial steps. So let's look at these default settings here. Yours should say install launcher for all users, good. And see here where it says add Python 3.5 to path. That's another good thing, so let's click on that as well. Let's see, where are they installing it? That's good. And so now we can go ahead and do install now. So just click on this. If this pops up, select yes. And we'll just wait for this to install. Great. Setup was successful. So we can click close, and we know now that Python is installed. Next program is this file here called Wing IDE. This is for this Wing101 program. We're going to write all of our code in this program, so it is important. So we want to double click on this to start the installation. Let's see here. We recommend not using this file unless you know it's safe. So in this case, my antivirus program doesn't really know this program, and that's not too uncommon. This isn't widely used. I'm going to click allow this file. So if this popped up on your computer, and it may not, it is okay to allow this file. So if you press OK, all right, great. Now this is saying we're installing a program. Are you sure it's okay? Yes. Now we're at the installation. So now you can select next, accept the agreement, then select next. Take the default location that it will install at, select next, next, install. Okay, so the installation's finished. We can select finish, and that seems to be it. You can quickly check to see if it's installed. Now I'm running Windows 8, so your experience may not be exactly the same. But go to a location where you can search for a program. So I can search from this screen, and I'm going to type in the words Wing 101. Well, maybe just Wing. And then so here I see this is the program Wing IDE 101.5. This right here is the installation. We don't want to use that file. But if you can find the one with the feather, if you select that, you'll see that this opens. You can select accept for the license. And this is the first view for that very first time use. We can click close on that. Okay, so now that we've opened up Wing 101, I have one piece of advice. You don't have to do this, but I do find it useful. This is your installation. This is what it looks like after we've closed out that initial screen. If we select the other file right here. See where it says Python shell? If you click on this, you can drag it up here. And then if it's smaller than this, you can click on the bottom and then drag it down to this size. There's two windows we're gonna primarily work with, and this is one of them. This is where we're gonna see the results of our code. We run something, and it's going to do things to this screen over here. The other place that we're going to write the code is up in this top left corner. Now, we don't have a new document yet, and so that's going to be in another video how to work with that, but I'm just going to quickly show you that this button right here, or File New, either one, will create a new code document for us. So that's it right here, and you see the line 1 and blinking. This is where we can start typing. See? Hit enter, it just creates new lines. I'm going to save the rest of that for another video, but if you've gotten this far, then you've successfully installed everything.